Digital housekeeping and common sense safety. Cleaning and maintenance for your digital spaces. Even an organized space gets messy if you never clean it. And just like a messy room can make it harder for you to find things, a messy computer storage space can make it take longer for your computer to find and load files. Clearing your cache is like taking out the trash. It's just temporary junk, but if you let it build up, things slow down. Cookies are different. They're like junk mail that follows you around. Ads, pop-ups, reminders. If you don't clear them out, they just keep piling up. You need to clear your browsing history, cookies, and cache weekly, especially if you watch a lot of videos or go to a lot of websites. And sometimes you just have too much stuff. Optimizing your hard drive is like reorganizing your closet and drawers to make things easier to find. In most cases, all you have to do is check a box during setup to have your computer optimize your files automatically every week, but you need to make sure that setting is turned on. Moving files to cloud storage or an external drive is another option. It's like putting seasonal clothes in storage boxes. You still have them, you just don't need them in your main space every day. A little maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. Now that your space is clean, the next step is making sure it's protected.